Solar System Test. Section 1. Circle the best choice. Number 1. The Sun is classified as what type of object in space? A. Planet, B. Star, C. Moon. Number 2. What two forms of energy do we get from the Sun? A. Light and oxygen, B. Heat and oxygen, C. Light and heat. Number 3. This planet has the shortest orbit around the Sun. A. Earth, B. Venus, C. Uranus, D. Mercury. Why does Mercury have the shortest orbit around the Sun? Think location to the Sun. Be sure to write your answer in a complete sentence. Number 4. Blank is the force that pulls objects toward the center of the Earth. A. Oxygen, B. Planets, C. Gravity. Section 2. Sort the planets. Decide if each planet is an inner planet or outer planet. Your choices: Neptune, Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, Venus, Earth. Mercury has been sorted in the inner planets. Uranus and Saturn have been sorted in the outer planets. Number 6. Why are the planets grouped into inner and outer planets? The inner planets are blank. The outer planets are blank. Number 7. Answer the questions below with a complete sentence. Describe what happens when a planet rotates and what this causes. First, describe what happens when it rotates. What does it look like? Then, describe what does the rotation of Earth cause. Use complete sentences and pause this to answer it. Number 8. Describe what happens when a planet revolves and what this causes. What happens when a planet revolves, like Earth, or what it causes. What does the revolution cause? Pause this to write complete sentences. Fill in the blank. Look at the picture below. Identify whether it shows a solar eclipse or a lunar eclipse. Write the correct answer in the sentence below the picture. This is a blank eclipse because, so choose solar eclipse for that line or lunar eclipse for that line. A. The moon is blocking the light from the sun from hitting Earth. B. The sun is blocking the light from the moon from hitting Earth. C. Earth is rotating around the sun and the moon. Number 10. During a solar eclipse, why is the moon able to block out the sun even though it is much smaller than the sun? Use the following words to answer the question. Earth, sun, moon. The blank is much closer to the blank than the blank, and so it appears larger. True or false? Write the word true or false on the line beside the statement. If the statement is false, correct the statement below. If it is true, just leave the statement alone. Number 11. The sun is a planet. If the sun is a planet, write true. If the sun is not a planet, write false and tell us what the sun is. Number 12. Planets revolve around the sun. If planets revolve around the sun, write true. If it is true that planets revolve around the sun, write true. If it is false that planets revolve around the sun, write false and fill in the blank about what they do around the sun. Number 13. Neptune is the hottest planet. If this is true, write true. If it is false and Neptune is not the hottest planet, write which planet is the hottest planet. Number 14. Earth is the only inhabitable planet, which means the only planet you can live on. If this is true, write true. If this is false, fix the sentence. Earth blank the only inhabitable planet. Number 15. The moon puts off light just like the sun does. If this is true and the moon puts off light, write true. If this is false, write false and then change the moon. What does it do? Look at the data in the graph below. It says Philadelphia's weekly average temperature. The temperature in degrees Fahrenheit is along the left-hand side, and it goes 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. The weeks. Week 1, the temperature is 30 degrees. Week 2, the temperature is about 35 degrees. Week 3, the temperature is about 38 degrees. And week 4, the temperature is about 33 degrees. Number 16, based on the data, what season is this? A, winter, B, spring, C, summer, D, fall. What makes you think that that is the season based on the data? Write a complete sentence. Answer the following question in full sentences. Over the course of a month, the moon appears to change its shape, as seen in the picture to the right. 18. Describe why it changes shape. Mention what Earth does around the sun. How would this change the shape of the moon? Use complete sentences to write your answer.